how many unused processes do you have lying around in your Google Drives, huh? Think about that. And you keep downloading them, right? Anytime somebody says, oh, post yes, or I wanted it, or whatever, and I'll send it to you, and then like you go rushing like a dog or a pig after a truffle or something like that, right? But then the thing doesn't get used. How many times have you tried to implement those processes in your own business and then just given up? You ever wondered why that happens? The reason is, this is a process engineering company called StarTech here. That's what we do, okay? The reason why this doesn't work is you can't just take templates and cram them into your own business. They're a great start. I'm not saying don't use templates. They'll save you a lot of time. They'll give you like category ideas and that. But even there, look what's happened to you. I'll bet you got a jumble of them, like these process templates just sitting around in your Google Drive, all in a big like bucket, right? And how do you categorize them? Let's just start with that. Then how do you actually use these things in your business? Well, it takes some expertise, number one. Number two, it takes some time that you, as the founder or even the COO, don't have. You don't have time to go and drill down and figure out how to extract the value out of this process that you've downloaded and customize it for your business. You need somebody who's really good at this stuff, and that's us. So if you're interested in maybe making use out of all these processes that you've downloaded and stuffed into your bucket and tried to implement on your own and given up on, if you'd like to actually make use of that, come talk to us. I mean, even there's a book called The Checklist Manifesto. Some guy made a checklist. This isn't even like a process. This is like a proto-process thing, like a checklist for hospitals. And the effect was like crazy. Like they stopped people dying by 24,000%. Like it is an insane ROI that you can get from this stuff, right? What could be more important than that? And in your business, the measure will probably be money, right? Revenue. Lowered costs, better margins, right? This is the kind of thing that you need to get to as a founder, as a business owner, and as a COO, if that's your role, as you're moving forward in the business. So if you're in this situation, if you've been nodding your head and going, oh yeah, I know all about this, right? Come talk to us. There'll be a link in the description below, and we'll sort it out. Thanks.